We're at the Michigan Sound Conference 2015, put on by the Detroit Sound Conservancy, their second conference. And this year's theme is Michigan Sound. So what are the stories that are unique to Michigan? And I think that's a modernism story. And it's a story that helps us connect neighborhoods and cities and kind of take these seemingly divided neighborhoods and kind of create a web of connection via music.
Detroit is a city of music, and it is known for its music internationally. However, in this city, the attempts to try to preserve our musical heritage has been rather spotty and probably not as comprehensive as it needs to be, so that we can preserve the legacy of these various genres of music that have come out of this city for the ages.
I'm here to support the Detroit Sound Conservancy because I believe in it. Detroit electronic music is the impetus for most of the electronic music movement. That is an important genre and important to establish it firmly here in Detroit.
People are focused on their work, but you have people from all walks of life, from techno DJs to neighborhood preservationists to citywide preservation. And so the opportunity here, I think, is that people get to share their knowledge and help each other unearth new and better questions to ask. And I really see that as the role of the Sound Conservancy, is how do we excavate the meaning out of the music community and use that meaning to mobilize the city and revitalize stories that have perhaps been buried.